Hi guys, it's Roo here from Prepared Camping, and today I'm going to make a pocket-sized buddy burner using an Altoids tin, a candle and some cardboard. Let's go. This tin is 2 centimeters tall, so I'm going to be cutting the cardboard into 2 centimeter wide strips that I'll then just place inside it. There, now that it's completely full of cardboard, all we've got to do is simply melt some wax. Let's head outside. Now the safest way to melt wax is to place it into a container that you then put into another container that's full of water and gradually heat the water. But I'm outdoors and there's not much of a fire risk here, so I'm just going to do it straight on top of the flame. As the wax cools, it shrinks, so you might have to fill it 2 or 3 times to get it full to the very brim. Some people put a wick in the centre of their buddy burners. I don't tend to bother because that could just turn it into a candle rather than a burner. To get them going, I found that the best bet is to just light a piece of birch bark and leave it for 4 or 5 minutes. So as you see, once it's up to temperature, it produces quite a good flame. You can easily cook off this, and because I've got it in an Altoids tin, it's very easy to put it out too. So I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Thanks for watching. Till next time, take care.